Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I just wanted to come to you and show you guys the systems I'm using. They are working. I'm using the Vertex Lead System, and I'm using Funnel X ROI. With the Vertex Lead System, I'm using also the SMS Phone Blaster, okay, as well as text message marketing, but it's working, okay? Check it out here. Look at the sign-ups that's coming through, okay, for Easy One Up, okay? So this works, guys. So let me get you started. Partner with me in Easy One Up. We can use the Vertex Lead System, Funnel X ROI, or text message marketing. Let me show you what I'm doing, okay? What I'm going to do is put the link below, okay, and you check it out. See which one you like better, and let's get you started, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified once I upload new videos, okay? Thanks, guys. Like the video, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed day.